How to auto-lock Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto-lock the option. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So here in the settings interface, here you'll be able to see the option called security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Now slowly scroll downwards. Here you can see the section called auto lock. Simply tap on it. Here you can see these drop downs that are available, so you can select how much or whichever time frame that you like to keep here, and tapping on 60 seconds and it's all set. So if you go back and refresh the application, it will all be set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.